Hey y'all, so today I am going to be revamping this old full lace wig that I had. Yeah, done cut up in the wrong places. Ain't know what I was doing, but I know what I'm doing now. So we about to repair her, add some lace to the sides, repair this hoe, clean it up real good. Y'all, I'm about to change this wig into something totally different. Okay, so while this process going on. See, this side ain't that bad. This other side, because this is where I wear my parts. And y'all, I really did not know what the hell I was doing. So when I first started practicing how to ventilate, I had bought some like closures or whatever, and I started ventilating like green hairs in to see how I could do it or whatever. So what I'm gonna do is basically just cut from this little piece of closure. And I'm just gonna fill in the part that I want it to be filled in instead of taking that long step of adding the lace, then ventilating hairs. I'm just gonna use what I got, and we're just gonna. Okay, so I got that side patched up and I got that hole patched up. So now this is from a previous hole repair. So now we're going to go and wash. It looks good though. You can't even really tell that I added that lace piece. Of course, the lace is two different colors because one lace is clean, transparent lace, and the other lace is dirty, transparent lace. So, yeah, you can't even, like, you really can't even tell that I added some lace to the sides. All right. Okay, so now we're done washing it. We got that glue out the best way we could. Okay. Okay, so after about 20 minutes or so, we got her all dry. Okay, so I'm finally finished. Go ahead on finally done. I put some rollers at the end so it can be curly. It's pretty long. There's 65-inch braiding hair. You know. Okay, not too bad. So here's the final look, guys. Comment below and tell me what you think. I really have fun recreating this. This is the side where we had added that piece of lace to. Can't really tell for real. I'm gonna check out the back. It's giving scalp. Okay, honey? Scalp. It's giving scalp. Okay. Cause I mean, like, what? I'm 5'1", and with the hair curled, it goes to my waist. It's so cute. Yeah, this is my first time doing the whole fluffy baby hair look, and honey, I really like it. It's so cute. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel for more wig makeover transformations, repairs, tutorials, all things wigs, and a little bit more. So yeah, thanks for watching.